आपकी कोई मेमोरेबल राइड जो आप शेयर करना चाहें?
आई थिंक फरारी राइड काफ़ी अच्छी थी, पर मैं बहुत डर रही थी चलाते हुए. I've never driven the Ferrari before, but just for the
Actually, your
shot.
brother does not let us touch his car. So even when it was on the set, it was made sure, कि हम चला तो नहीं रहे. 10 बार कॉल आए थे कि वो दोनों चलाएंगी नहीं गाड़ी.
तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ था कि जिसके वजह से वो अलाउ नहीं करते आप दोनों को चलाने के
No,
लिए?
nothing like that. ऐसे नहीं है. Actually, he knows that both of us are scared. Even when he's driving and we are sitting next to him, I'm like holding on both the side and I'm sitting because I
उनकी
feel
रफ्तार बहुत तेज है.
Right.
Actually, her voice goes completely with mine. So many people tell me that, it feels like it's you only singing. So yeah, both of us, I think we are very well connected.
खुशहाली आपने कभी
Oh yes, I love to act, and I've really tried to do that in this video because it gave me a chance to do something which is different. You see a girl playing with all these super bikes, super cars, which is very
I'm
thrilling.
sorry, I have to say something. I'm very sorry. इन्होंने हलवाई को पूछा आप लड्डू बनाएंगे? It's मतलब okay.
But yeah, I'm extremely passionate about it, and I think it's really good. You get to experiment something which you can't do in your real life. So it just gives me a different thrill and a different excitement. No, nothing of that sort right now, but there are like a couple of projects which are going on, which I would be making an announcement soon.
खुशहाली हमने आपको एक्ट करते हुए देखा, लेकिन कभी सिंगिंग के लिए ट्राई किया आपने?
एक्चुअली जब मैं छोटी थी हम दोनों को पापा ने सिंगिंग क्लासेस शुरू करवाए थे. वी वर लाइक barely like 3-4 year old. और मेरे को कभी भी उसमें इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज बंक एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी डांसिंग और मिमिकिंग और डूइंग सम फनी थिंग्स, फनी एक्सप्रेशंस, एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन ड्रामा. So I was very fond of doing all dancing and all of that, and Tulsi then continued with singing and I didn't. I left it midway. Actually मैंने 2 ही classes की थी. ऐसे I'll tell this in this. I think it should be like इसमें नहीं मिलनी तेनू मेरे वर्गी. I think everybody is unique. All girls should feel that everyone has something very special and extraordinary in them. And that's what in this particular song, even what Raftar's rap is there. उसके दिखाए रास्ते पे करूँ सपनों की दौड़. I'm right, no, Raftar? So I'm thankful to God. So these have been very inspiring lyrics, and that was our main thing for this song, that we want the entire song to be very inspiring for the youth and for everyone. I really enjoyed, as you see, I love dancing. I enjoyed dancing over here and on the bike with the supercars. It was a lot of fun. I completely enjoyed, and plus being with Tulsi, we talk about each and everything, and doing something, we share common views on a lot of things, and then getting even Raftar, our views were matching, and that's what, when your views match, you really enjoy collaborating and you enjoy the entire final product as well.
Ma'am, you have any input you have done in this?
I have done the entire clothes in the entire video. The styling is done by me, and I always feel, every dress which I used to make, every design is to have like a story and a thought behind it. And I feel when the character, even when you are acting, there is a whole thought and a story behind it. And I found that very beautiful correlation between the two. That is something which I really enjoyed when I wore the dresses and outfit. I thought it brought a very different person in me altogether than what really I am.